Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Cash App QR code. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is actually log into Cash App, and then as you'll be able to see on the top left hand corner there is this little square. So if you select that one, that's going to take you to your camera. So it's going to automatically populate scan a QR code, and it's going to open your camera wanting to scan a QR code. Now, to get your QR code, you just want to select on the My Code in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, and then your QR code will appear. Here you can share it or even screenshot it and share it with family and friends or businesses if that's how you're going to be paid. There is a second way to also find your QR code. If you click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then just in the top left here we can see 3 squares and a couple of dots. If you select that, this will also bring up your QR code for others to scan if they're actually with you, or again you can share it with family, friends and businesses. And that's how to find your Cash App QR code.